you can use Bitcoin mining to passively acquire Bitcoin income and receive major tax benefits. In this video, I will show you how you can start mining Bitcoin today, and you don't have to build your own data center. You don't have to plug a machine up in your garage or do any of the setup yourself. You can simply purchase a miner and start earning Bitcoin right now. So, Bitcoin mining requires special computers and low cost power, and we don't all have the resources or the know how to build data centers ourselves. But with Blockware, you can purchase a miner and run it at a data center like the one you see on your screen now. We have built and partnered with the top data centers in the world, and you can purchase miners hosted at one of these sites, getting access to extremely low cost electricity. Blockware clients can mine Bitcoin with an electricity rate of 7.5 cent per kilowatt hour. And for reference, the average electricity rate in the United States is more than 17 cent per kilowatt hour. So you're getting more than a 50% discount on your electricity to run one of these Bitcoin miners. Now, what I have on my screen here is the Blockware Marketplace, which is a proprietary platform that allows you to purchase one of these miners turnkey and see all of the analytics about the machine before you actually make a purchase. If you're new to Bitcoin mining and you don't know where to get started, what machine to buy, it can be overwhelming. I understand. There's dozens of different miner types, there's hundreds of different individual miners on the marketplace. I would recommend starting with the Antminer S21 XP. At the time of recording, this is the most efficient, most profitable, best bang for your buck Bitcoin miner you can purchase. You want a miner that will remain competitive for years to come. That's the S21 XP. So I have the marketplace here sorted by S21 XPs from the lowest price to the highest price. And as you can see, they're starting at around $7,349 per miner. Now, if we click into one of these miners, we can see all of the analytics we could possibly want to know about this miner before you actually make a purchase. So one of these miners will earn about $417 in revenue every month in Bitcoin. And in terms of electricity, it's going to cost about $200 worth of electricity every month to run this miner. Granted. And again, if you were plugging one of these machines in at your house, your monthly electricity bill would be far greater than $200. In fact, it would probably be even greater than the amount of revenue you would actually get from that miner. So partnering with Blockware enables you to have access to this low cost power to actually mine Bitcoin profitably and earn passive income. So, under the current market conditions, one of these miners will earn about $200 per month in net profit. But Bitcoin is shaping up to have a very, very strong Q4. So, this net monthly profit could be much higher if the Bitcoin price increases, as many analysts, myself included, expect it to. But under the current conditions, 10 of these miners would give you over $2,000 in passive income every month paid in Bitcoin. So even if Bitcoin's price doesn't change from where it's at right now, these miners are still earning nice monthly profits. And if we scroll down, we can actually see the historical hash rate or uptime or computing power of one of these miners. So I'll move my face out of the way here. You can see over the last 30 days, this specific unit has been performing as you would expect it to, right around 270 terahash per second every single day. You can even see its serial number to know that this is the exact miner you're buying. You can check and see if it's under warranty. You can list this unit, this specific unit, on your balance sheet and receive the 100% bonus depreciation that comes with purchasing Bitcoin miners. What is 100% bonus depreciation? It means every dollar you spend on mining hardware, so one of these miners, $7,349, if you purchase one of these miners, you could write off $7,349 worth of W-2 income or business income. Any type of ordinary income in the United States can be deducted by purchasing Bitcoin miners. So it's a great way to get tax write-offs, save on taxes, and earn passive Bitcoin income every day. Purchasing one of these miners is super easy. You make a marketplace account, you fill out all of the paperwork on the platform. Everything you need to do is on the platform. You don't even have to talk to a salesperson. And you can pay in Bitcoin, you can pay with a bank account, or you can pay with a debit or credit card. It's super, super simple. And you can select your hosting contract so you can lock in this 7.5 cent per kilowatt hour electricity rate all the way until the end of 2027. And make sure to use the promo code BWI at checkout, and you will receive a discount on the first miner you purchase. It's that simple. The Blockware marketplace has hundreds of different miners you can choose from. You don't have to buy the S21 XP. That's just an example of the most profitable miner you can buy. You can get the S21 Plus, you can get the S21 Hydro, you can get the vanilla S21, and all of the newest miners that come out next year will be on this platform. If you want to get started today, go to marketplace.blockwaresolutions.com. The entire process is seamless and smooth. You purchase a miner, you pay for its electricity, and you get all of the Bitcoin that it mines. You never have to touch the miner. You don't have to plug it in. You don't have to build your own facility. It's 100% hands off, passive income in Bitcoin. And if you want to talk to a real person about this, you can fill out the form below at mining.blockwaresolutions.com/consult. You can talk to a member of our team. We'll create a customized plan for you to evaluate your financial goals and see which miners make sense for you. Again, that's mining.blockwaresolutions.com/consult.